Hi, I'm Catherine Weber and I write the DIY column Living Space. Today we're talking about how to decorate night tables and a desk. Let's start with night tables. You know, if you're like me and a lot of other people I know, your nightstand is a mess. It's got a jumble from hand creams, a nail file. If you're like me, I read in bed and I have a highlighter there. There's all kinds of mess that after a while, that nightstand doesn't look very attractive any longer. It's just a jumble and a mess. But let's talk about how you can make it more attractive and functional too. And that's the key, making it function for you. One of the first things that you want to do is clear everything off and start with a nice clean palette. And then really put back what it is that you really need. So for instance, or what you really use the most. So for instance, I would create some little spot, a basket, a box, or like in this case, I have a book that is a fake book, and inside I can put my nail file and my highlighter and hand lotion and all the other things that I have every night, and they stay hidden away there and they look attractive on the dresser. The other thing that I would do is add a small little container, maybe a little jar or a box of some sort or a little dish where you can put your rings and watch or earrings and little coins if you have coins, and then maybe put a little plant there. I like to make it attractive. You might want to have a picture of family members or some loved ones next to your side of the bed. So there you have it. Take a look. Now is the floor with it in a mess, and then afterwards, once it's all rearranged and made much more attractive, but still functional, so I can get everything I need in the evening. Now let's talk about desks. As you can see, this is just a very simple writing desk, and there's really not a whole lot to it. But often what we find is desks become, like nightstands, a jumble of papers and scissors and staplers and tape dispensers. We have too much stuff on top of the desk, and most of the time we don't use the tape or the stapler that often, so those can all go into a basket. So let's clear off this desk and we're going to build it back up, and you can see how it's changing. I've got a little box on the desk, and that keeps all of my pens and all the little items that I need. I've got a little plant here and a lamp, so I have some nice light to work by. And that's basically all I need to make my desk look attractive and be functional too. So there you have it, how to clear off that clutter and make both your desk and nightstands look better. This has been how to decorate night tables and a desk. I'm Catherine Weber. Thanks for watching.